Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about string functions or string methods. As we know, strings are everywhere in coding, like from handling text data to building user interfaces. Therefore, we should know how to manipulate them. Now let's get started. In Python, strings are just sequence of characters. They are denoted within a single, double or triple quotes. So, A is a string variable. Now let's go and take simple strings and apply some of Python's most useful string functions. So let's start as basic string functions, and now I will take a variable called A and we'll take one string called hello world, and then okay. Now I'm going to take dot upper and dot lower functions. So first we'll discuss about the dot upper. So for the dot upper, if I say print a dot upper and then close and let's run it, so it will change all the lowercase into the uppercase. That means it changed all to the capital letters, right? Similarly, for the lowercase, I'm in print a dot lower function, and let's run it. So it changed all the capital letters. Here H is a capital letter, so it changed all to the lowercase. Hence, these functions are super useful when we want consistency in our text formatting. Now let's move to another functions called dot capitalize and dot title. So basically these functions help us to format strings properly, and especially they are useful in titles or the names. So I'm going to write, let's say print here a dot capitalize, and then let's run it, hello world. So basically the dot capitalize function makes only the first letter uppercase. So here the variable a is a hello world where the first was capital, so there is no change. But if we do like h is a small here and then we run it, here in this case also we get like h is capital. Similarly, let's see what does the dot title do. So for title we'll say print a dot title and then close it and we'll run it, hello world. However, the dot capitalizes function makes only the first letter capitalize, like this h here, whereas the dot title it capitalizes the first letter of each word, like this. And now let's move to another function, that's a find. So the find, if we need to find the text within a string, the find function is useful, and the find function returns the index of the first occurrence of a substring, or it returns -1 if it is not found. For print like a dot find, if you want to find the string here, let's say world, and then we run it, yeah, it gives the index number 6. But if I do here world, let's say capital, yeah, it's not the use of the capital letter, so it will give -1 because it is not found. So if I do like world a small one, it will give 6. So the find function is great when we need to locate a substring in a larger text. And the another is replace function. So for that if we need to replace the parts of a string, let's say if I want to replace a substring with another, like if I want to replace the world with a Python, for that we have to write like print a dot replace world with comma Python, right? So let's run it. Hello Python. So we replace this hello world with hello Python. Now we have another two functions called like split and dot join functions. Let's see what does the split function do. I will take an a equals to here, let's say 1 comma 2 comma 3, and then num equals to a dot split, and then we will use and then split comma, and we'll say print num. Now let's run it. So this split function breaks a string into a list of words, splitting at the spaces or any other specified character. So here it splits at the space, and this type of the function is very perfect when we need individual words from a sentence or a list of values from like a CSV line. Now let's see dot join function. So if I ever want to join a list of words into a single string, then I can use this dot join function. Let's see the example. So if I say a equals to, let's say hello, and then we have another so we'll take hello and then word to strings, and to join the element of a with a space I have to write print, and then we will use here this, and then dot join, and we'll use the variable a and close the bracket. Now let's run it. So it comes like this. So this is how we join the list elements with a space in between. So these are some of the most essential Python string functions, and mastering these will make handling text so much easier in project handling. Okay, this much for today. If you want to know more about string functions, stay tuned. I'll upload in my shorts in upcoming videos. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave a comment below if there is a Python topic you'd like me to cover. See you in the next video.